He hasn't been off island, but Alan Tahadzi felt so sick 2 weeks ago that for the very first time he decided to drive from Maritzo to the Guam Memorial Hospital to find out what was wrong. He was experiencing shortness of breath and a fever at the time.
They asked me if I've been to, or have I traveled, and I'm like, no, so they're like, okay, then they already like minus the coronavirus because I didn't travel, but they never tested me for it. Because when I asked them about it, they're like, they don't even have the kit, and the attitude I got was like, they don't care. Like, so what if I have coronavirus? They told me how bronchitis, asthma, and pneumonia. And they're like, after an hour, on the IV, they release me.
He says they prescribed him some medication and sent him home. Tahadzi says he may not have traveled to any of the areas that have confirmed COVID cases, but he had been around tourists from some of those locations. It's been 2 weeks and he still feels sick, and with recent national headlines, he says he's worried.
Like, I don't have to travel to get it. The first person in the U.S. never even traveled. And they're dead. There's 2 people in the U.S. dead, and they don't even travel. All the things I'm discovering, I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with me.
And you're still feeling sick?
I still have shortness of breath. I still throw up every night, every hour. I'm still congested. I'm still under the pills they give me.
The government continues to maintain there are 0 cases of confirmed or suspected cases of COVID-19 on Guam. Governor Lulian Guerrero, who spoke with KUAM today, says preparations continue. She confirmed she participated with a teleconference with Vice President Pence, which included governors from states and territories.
He was very impressed with the work and the preparation and the prevention measures that are being done in the various states.
The governor says, like other states and territories, she will be requesting for federal financial assistance to combat COVID. She reiterated the best way to stay ahead of the spread is to practice good hygiene, like washing your hands, and also announced plans for possible isolation and quarantine facilities.
So we're looking at the GMH, and Public Health is looking at, and Homeland Security is looking at the SNF unit in Barrigada, where we can maybe transfer most of our SNF patients out of there to either GRMC. We're going to be talking to them, and then use that facility for more isolation cases if we need to. We are looking at maybe UOG, also the field house, for quarantine. But again, the best place for quarantine is self-quarantine. If we have to do mass, then we are going to be looking at those facilities.
Additionally, the governor says test kits are expected to arrive any day now. Unfortunately for residents like Tahadzi, they can't come soon enough.
This virus could be here on the island, and no one will know until it's too late. People start dying, and we don't even have the test kit here.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Sabrina Salas Matsunani.